If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Unsharp mask filter applies sharpening to edges in a photo. This technique is most easily shown in pictures intended for on-screen display, but also works well for printed images. However, for printed images, you may need to adjust the settings to optimize the printed quality. The Unsharp mask filter works by finding pixels that differ from neighboring pixels by a threshold value you choose. It then increases the contrast of the pixels by an amount you select. It also affects neighboring pixels within a radius you choose by lightening lighter pixels and darkening darker pixels. This corrects blur that can occur when photographing, resampling, or scanning photos. To apply the Unsharp mask filter to a selection or photo, select Enhance, Unsharp Mask from the menu bar to open the Unsharp Mask dialog box. Ensure that the Preview checkbox is checked so you can preview the filter in the dialog box as you make changes. You can use the Zoom magnifying glass button to change the preview magnification, and click and drag in the preview image to pan around the preview. Then use the Amount field to enter the percentage of contrast to apply to the pixels. You can type the percentage, or use the slider to set the percentage value you desire. Use the radius box or slider to set the number of neighboring pixels to sharpen around the edge. Lower values sharpen only the pixels around the edges, while higher settings sharpen larger areas of pixels. Then use the threshold box or slider to set how far apart pixels must be from the surrounding area before they are considered edge pixels. Edge pixels are sharpened by the Unsharp mask. The default value of 0 sharpens all pixels in the image. You can reset changes you have made in this dialog box by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard and then pressing the Reset button that appears in place of the Cancel button if needed. You can also cancel the sharpening by simply clicking the Cancel button. To apply the sharpening, click the OK button instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.